Hi, it's Anthony, and I didn't think I'd have to make this video anytime soon or anytime in the near future. As you may know, I operate a small YouTube channel with a small fan base based on, I'd say, the day in the life of a bus driver, a bit of transport news, and a bit about getting around the Lancashire area for transport and looking at good days out. Trying to build a YouTube channel is very difficult and a very hard thing in 2025. And I have been very fortunate to be able to build a really good fan base and a really good community. Whether it be on Discord, Instagram, YouTube, we seem to be able to support each other and build a wonderful community. I started this journey 2 years ago because I wanted to create something that showed my son that I'd followed my dreams and wanted to be a cameraman when I was a young lad. I want to create content that people enjoy and people love. I want to create a space that is safe for people and create an area where people are respected and can feel respected. However, for whatever reason of my own doing, I've failed at that. And I've failed to keep people safe, and I've failed to keep people safe, and I've failed to keep people happy. No. For whatever reason, I've been unable to keep this community safe. A couple of weeks ago, I did a live stream on Tuesday. Normal Tuesday, normal stream, trying to get back to things. And the stream was ended unfortunately early due to some people's attitude in the comments and towards other guests. I do not condone how people speak on my behalf for other guests. At the time, I ended the stream and spoke to the individual people in the stream separately to address the situations. Rest assured, they promised me that this situation would be resolved and wouldn't happen again. A week later, we decided to stream again on the channel, and I'd placed measures inside the stream and around the Discord to make sure this wouldn't happen again. However, those protections and those measures failed, and it led to what's happened over the last couple of days. I'm a small YouTuber, and I have just over 2,000 people following me. The other morning, I woke up to notice I'd lost 4 subscribers. In hindsight, it's just 4 subscribers, and I continue today to lose subscribers. As we speak now, the 4th of July, I've lost another 2 subscribers. And I believe personally this is because of the actions of some individuals on our channel and our community around Discord. Therefore, today, I'd like to apologise to some of those members who have left, some of those subscribers who have left this community. It is unacceptable and should not happen. I'm therefore taking steps now to prevent this. Whether it's my own fault for trying to help these people and trying to show them that they can be better, I clearly haven't been able to do that, and they clearly haven't been able to follow my advice. I'm therefore going to be cutting ties with these people and making sure that they bring no more hatred into our Discord. It is not my intent to call out or make anyone feel bad for this, but I cannot continue to have a channel that I'm trying to grow, but also bring up a toxic community. I know YouTube and the internet, it can be toxic, but that's not what I'm trying to create. So going forward, we're going to look at the Discord. I'm probably going to enable slow mode on all the servers. We're going to make sure that the streams are for subscribers only, and anyone that steps out of line and tries to speak on my behalf for my channel, who isn't me, will no longer be part of the channel. I'm really sorry to the people that have felt hurt. I'm really sorry to the people that these people have tried to discriminate. It's not acceptable. They're not the law. They're not the book. They're not trying to help anyone. They're doing it out of spite because they can't stand the injustice that's happening. Sometimes you have to bite your tongue and walk away. I've failed as a content creator and as a person who's trying to keep this community safe by allowing these people to come back into the streams and into the Discord community on numerous second chances, and that is not acceptable. So for that, I am sorry. I hope you can take this time to understand why I've had to make this video, It's been playing on my mind for a few days now, and losing 3 to 4 subscribers is huge numbers for me, and I want to see this channel go to 5, 10k subscribers and make sure we all feel part of the community. I've got some wonderful ideas that I'm trying to push out, I'm trying to improve. However, I do believe that this has not helped me create content for YouTube. So hopefully going forward from the next couple of days, you'll notice some changes in the YouTube community and in the Discord community. We will not allow people to take over and make it about them. I'm really sorry, and I hope you can forgive me. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. If you liked what I said, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. If you want to talk more about me, feel free to follow me in the Discord. There'll be a link in the description. There'll be no comments on this video, as I don't believe anyone needs to comment about it. Thank you very much.